Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your loadout before you search for microphones. Equip light armor and a fast weapon to stay mobile and survive small skirmishes. Adjust controller or mouse sensitivity to medium-high for quicker 15 to 20 degree turns. Bring 1 healing item and 2 stamina boosts to recover between pickups. Open the map and mark 3 zones where microphones spawn regularly. Commit to collecting all 5 microphones in a single continuous run for best efficiency. Follow an optimized route that reduces backtracking and fights. Enter Zone A through the south gate and check 3 close cover points for the first microphone. Then follow the river to Zone B and scan 2 buildings within 40 meters of the bridge for the next microphones. Use sprint bursts between cover to avoid ambushes and conserve stamina. Finally, climb to Zone C rooftop via the east ladder to secure the last microphone and extract on the marked vehicle. Apply speed tricks to finish the run quickly and safely. Use 1 sprint burst every 10 seconds to maintain speed without burning all stamina reserves. Slide when you hit cover to avoid incoming fire and keep momentum. Swap to a melee weapon briefly to pick up microphones in tight spaces without exposing yourself. If you take damage, use a healing item immediately and move to the nearest safe spot. Exit the area immediately after the 5th microphone to avoid late-game campers and secure your reward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.